Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is IoT based dustbin monitoring system using Node MCU. So in this project we are using a Node MCU ESP8266 and a GSM SIM 800L and a 16 cross 2 LCD display. So whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. And we are using one ultrasonic distance measurement module, HCSR04 ultrasonic distance measurement module, and one GPS GY GPS 6MV2 GPS module we are using for the location purpose. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here ultrasonic sensor HCSR04 and GSM SIM 800L. Here we are using Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, any SIM card you can use. Here we are using Idea SIM card, Airtel SIM card we are using. Power supply module, bridge rectifier, filter, capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. So Node MCU, 16 cross 2 LCD display, GPS modem. So here Node MCU module. So here D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, those are LCD connection. D6, D7 ultrasonic sensor, D8 GPS module, RX, TX, it is connected to the GSM modem. So this is my programming part. So ultrasonic sensor pins and GPS pins, and project 1234 is my user ID and password. So let's start with the power supply. So must and should it requires hotspot modem. So here hotspot is enabled, okay, and hotspot is connected, okay. Garbage monitoring system, let's power off, power on. It's checking for the Wi-Fi hotspot. Once Wi-Fi hotspot is connected, garbage monitoring using Node MCU ESP8266, okay. So latitude value, longitude value, initializing GSM modem, initialized successfully. So once it is initialized successfully, it will take the latitude longitude. We can see on the Google Map location also, okay. So back, okay. So once it is a garbage bin 10% or empty, so now it is garbage bin, some value it is showing. So now I'm going to insert some particles on this. Okay, garbage bin 18%. So it will take around 5 to 10 seconds, it will come exact value, okay. Okay, do it as a flat, okay. 12% as a 70%, yeah, 12% as a 70% it is showing, okay. Okay, now I am inserting some particles on this. Okay, do it as a flat. Okay, now I am giving as a, okay. Okay, just give as a 3 centimeter distance, okay. 43 it is coming, okay. Make adjustment, okay. Garbage bin 7%, okay. 85% is full, 85% is full, 85% it is showing. So only 5% is left, okay. So 5, so let's come as a 3, okay. Okay, 4 full, okay. Garbage bin full, take it as a small, only 4 centimeter distance, okay. Garbage bin full. So student will receive 2 SMS alert, as well as my mobile will also receive 1 SMS alert. always it is sending the data to my own server, iotvehicle.co.in. In this server it is sending the data to one server base. So it continuously sending the data to my server, and we can see the data onto the display also. Okay, and we can see the Google Map location also, and we can got the SMS alert. With that SMS alert also we can see the output. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded. IoT based garbage dustbin monitoring using Node MCU.